To hang the phone up with my dad. He's an NYPD officer, and I don't know if that matters, but he's actually, like, he's very concerned. So can...
My dad is,
Sean Lee.
Who was that?
Sean Lee.
Sean Lee, okay.
My mom's a cop, so I know it's stupid.
Where's your mom to cop at?
She was a cop in
Fluent Park? Okay.
Join us as we follow the journeys of those who learn the hard way in When Cops Family Learns They Aren't Above the Law. What happens when the badge of family honor clashes with the scales of justice? Discover the answers in our series, where we explore the real-life stories of individuals who believe their connections to law enforcement granted them immunity. In our first case, the police received a call reporting a hit-and-run where a driver knocked down a traffic light and fled the scene. However, they leave a piece of their bumper behind at the crash site, providing a crucial clue for authorities to follow.
Just go check 9 South real quick. Yeah, there's a white bumper here. Alright, base, be advised we have a white bumper. Here's the damage is going to be the front passenger side, and they're missing a piece of the bumper.
21-year-old Teresa Lee was being questioned at the gas station. She made sure to quickly inform the officer that her father is the sheriff, Johnny Lee.
Applebee's.
You come back from Applebee's?
Yeah, I had a drink.
Okay. How old are you?
21.
You're 21?
Yeah. My dad is, Sean Lee.
Who was that?
Sean Lee.
Sean Lee? Okay. Alright.
I'm sorry. I think I left my wallet at Applebee's.
Sorry, just keep your hands out of your pockets, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. So you're coming from Applebee's right now?
Yeah, I had a drink.
Okay. Which way did you take to go from Applebee's to here?
I went around at the light on Route 9, and I came back from here, and then around back, and then here, because
So
it was empty on gas.
So you went over by, like, Lowe's?
No, the light.
You came up Applebee's.
I came out of Applebee's, the
Okay.
light.
Which way?
Yeah, the light, Lowe's, I guess, right there, right?
You cut through Applebee's, right? You went through the plaza, you came out by Lowe's, by Chick-fil-A, you made the right, and you had the traffic light right there. Okay. Did you hit that pole that's over there?
No.
You didn't hit the utility pole?
Hit anything in.
Because your bumper's in the
Yeah,
middle of the
no.
road.
No, I hit the, so do you see this side?
Yeah.
I hit this
Okay.
at my,
How long ago?
like about a month ago, my ex's,
Okay.
because he broke up with me and I broke up with him. And
All right, go hang about back over there. Keep your hands in your pockets, please. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Listen, your bumper's in the road over there. Okay, did you just hit that pole?
No, I promise you I did not.
No? So if someone brings that bumper over here, it's not going to match up perfectly.
Once again, she reminds the officers about her father, making sure to emphasize her connection with a family of law enforcement officers.
670, do you have another unit out with you?
Call my dad. He's a sheriff's
All right,
officer.
hang out.
I have a ghost card.
What's up?
Negative. I just flared off the traffic light. We're heading over to Wallow now.
10-4, can you bring her bumper here?
Lee then explains to the officers about the incident which left her car damaged. Will she be free because of her connection, or will she have to face the consequences?
Hanging off already because I already hit something.
Okay.
When I hit a deer in Pennsylvania because I go to school in Kentucky, and this part was hanging off already.
Okay. Do you smoke marijuana recreationally?
I do not smoke marijuana.
What do you prescribe that you put that you had when
I'm a soccer athlete.
I understand. What's the prescription medicine that you had that
Can I call my dad, who's a sheriff's officer?
Let the one officer come here who's out with your other part of your bumper. He's going to talk to you, and then we'll go from there, okay?
I just found a piece next to the telephone you just took out.
I hit you call my dad, he's a sheriff's officer.
That's great. You smashed the traffic light when you left the scene of an accident. And now you're lying about it.
I'm like scared out of my mind right
But
now.
Teresa, I explained to you this before. Lying isn't going to get you
not
anywhere.
lying.
You just need to know the
You
truth.
just lied.
lying.
You just lied. We just caught you in a lie.
Can you tell
I
me
just found this piece off by the traffic light by Lowe's. You said that piece fell off in Pennsylvania.
I
You
That's
told
a lie.
me you hit a deer. You
That's a lie.
told me a whole bunch of stories.
You're at Pennsylvania. You can ask my dad. Please ask my dad.
You just hit a telephone, a traffic light. And that's where this piece was.
That's probably where that piece was. Yes, I probably hit that.
You did hit that.
I hit it.
You see this?
I hit it here before this. You can ask my dad.
This piece fell off at the traffic light that you hit, that you knocked over.
Teresa attempts to defend her actions, but the officer remains unconvinced. Teresa accepts responsibility for her mistake, succumbing to a visible breakdown. But that doesn't stop her from further failed attempts at switching her story.
A deer in Pennsylvania.
Well, you also hit a telephone pole today,
Okay.
or a traffic light today.
And I must have hit something today. I'm sorry.
So you don't know that you hit a traffic light.
I did not hit a traffic light today.
So you mean to tell me that's just coincidence that this was
I
on?
did not hit a traffic light today.
So again, you mean to tell me that this is just a coincidence that this piece was found right next to a traffic light?
I'm not saying that.
So when after Applebee's, did you hit a traffic pole?
I think I hit something. I remember hitting something.
You can't miss it. It lights up. It's red, green, and yellow.
I remember hitting something after Applebee's. But
Okay.
I'm saying, like,
And then did you drive away because you're scared because you had maybe had one drink and you think you're drunk?
Yeah.
And you might get arrested, but you don't seem like you're drunk?
Yes.
Is that what's going on? So you drove away because you're scared?
Yes.
So you might get some tickets and maybe you might get arrested? Is that why?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're starting to tell the truth, right?
Just
Okay.
call my dad. He will tell you.
Well,
He's a
here's
sheriff's officer,
the thing.
I promise
Your dad, the
you.
sheriff's officer, wasn't driving your vehicle today. Your
He
dad, the
would
sheriff's
tell you
officer.
it's already damaged. And they already reported to the
Well, listen, here's
insurance.
the
He
deal.
already reported everything.
Pump the brakes. You're 21. You're an adult. We're trying to figure out what happened with you and driving and leaving the
I
scene of
hit
the crash.
I hit a curb.
You hit a traffic signal.
No, I hit a curb.
Yeah, you went up the curb. You hit the traffic signal. The traffic signal fell down, and you
I
left.
was texting. That's why, and I already had damage.
Teresa was allowed to make a call to her father, who came to the scene and confirmed the deer incident, but also mentioned the new damage. Subsequently, a field sobriety test was administered, revealing Teresa's blood alcohol content to be 0.17, exceeding the legal limit of 0.08 by more than double.
I just need to talk to him on the phone.
Yeah, I think she's scared she's hanging out with a boy or something, and the dad is. I don't know. This makes no sense at all.
Maybe hanging out with a guy.
Yeah, she doesn't want. Yeah, exactly. Something like that. She spun around or something, or she's going to a guy's house.
Based off the testimony you did and everything that happened today, right, I don't think that you were okay to safely operate the motor vehicle. Right? I think that it was a break or something else going on, so you're okay to know that you did well. Right?
Base 1 female 41. 17 for Johnsville.
Dad, Dad, Dad.
Hold on, we'll let you talk. Do you have anything to say your pocket? No. Do you need anything from inside the car, cell phone?
No, my cell phone is in there. My car keys. I did the test right. You know what I'm saying?
So the word indicator said you're not safely, not okay to safely operate the motor vehicle.
Ask me what.
Yeah, you took too many steps to start. You missed steps, healed yourself. Going through the one-way stand, you left your arms up and down. So there's a lot of indicators there that you're okay. So we're going to walk through the middle part here.
I'm a soccer team captain.
As Teresa requests a hug from her father, she's gently guided into the police car. In that moment, she's learned that having a sheriff or a father doesn't exempt her from the law's reach.
Oh, your dad's right over here. Okay. Sure. So we have your cell phone. Do you need anything else from inside the car? Anything else in there?
You do stops with this shit in the car.
Right,
You're arrested for DUI. Go ahead.
Have a seat.
Teresa was summoned to court for driving under the influence, reckless driving, and failure to report a car accident. As we continue our investigation into such misconceptions, our next story sheds light on yet another instance where individuals thought they could escape justice because of family connections to law enforcement. On August 20th, 2023, at 2 a.m., Brianne McConville, age 34, was stopped for erratic driving. She made sure the officer knew about her cop family when they were questioning her. But even though she thought her family ties might protect her, she learned she wasn't above the law when the field sobriety test didn't give clear results.
I'm Patrolman Cameron at the Rumson Police from one of my body cameras activated, okay?
Okay.
Do you have a driver's license, registration, insurance card with you?
I don't.
You don't?
No.
Do you have a license?
Yes.
Okay. From where?
Staten Island, New York.
Okay. Do you have your registration and insurance card for the vehicle? Where are you coming from this evening?
I came from Donovan's Reef.
Okay. You work there or you just...
No.
Okay.
I was going to my aunt's house.
Back up to Staten Island or?
No, actually, I was gonna go in, right in like.
Okay.
I've been having a couple drinks.
Okay.
I'm being honest.
Yeah, that's why I'm stopping. It's not you were just swerving a little bit back there. Okay, yeah.
My father's a police officer from NYPD.
Okay.
I don't know if that matters. I'm literally going to. It's like 10 minutes away from here.
How much did you have to drink tonight?
I mean, I've been kind of drinking since like 12 o'clock.
Okay.
I'm being honest.
Okay.
I'm kind of like nervous right now.
Okay, it's alright. It's all good. Can you just hand me your, is the car in your name or someone else's?
No, this is my name.
Okay.
Truthfully, I actually didn't have my wallet with me when I left.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Are you familiar with the English alphabet?
Yes.
Read and speak it fluently?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Can you do me a favor, just without singing? Obviously not singing. Can you start with the letter A, end with Z? Just say the whole alphabet.
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay. Okay, very good. So, this next test, called the one-leg stand. You don't have any leg injuries or anything like that, do you?
No.
No, nothing to
I
your
have
lower
a
back
baby
or
still,
anything?
so don't think that I'm like making onto you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Another officer, certified to conduct the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, was dispatched to the scene. The test detects the involuntary jerking motion of the eyes, which alcohol can exaggerate.
I can't.
That's up to you.
I can't tell you to do
What do you
that.
think that my cousin's gonna be here in 6 minutes? Is that like enough?
Well, just hang on for a little bit. All right, we'll worry about the outcome of this in a few minutes. Okay, I just have another officer coming. She's gonna be able to check your eyes from there. Okay. I just don't have that certification. She does. All right.
I understand that.
Okay.
Thank you. Your sibling or your cousin, what would you tell them to do? My call is an NYPD officer.
Okay. I can't tell you that.
That's up to you.
It's whatever you want. You know.
We can't make that decision for you.
I couldn't ask them to do that, but I'm just saying.
I can't.
My father.
I can't tell you what to do with
thank
that. I'm sorry. Hi, Steph. So she was swerving, heavy odor coming from the car. Told me she's been at Donovan's drinking since noon. Her alphabet it was good. Walk and turn wasn't terrible. She just didn't follow my instructions. Her arms were out. She wasn't, heel to toe. Same thing with the one leg stand. Her leg was up, but she wasn't looking at her foot, and her arms were out. Yeah, she said on the phone, she's like, yeah, I got pulled over and I'm drunk. So.
Okay, so you'd like me to do ECN?
Yes, please.
Like that?
I gotta do some more testing with you, so you're gonna leave the phone in the car so we can finish the testing, okay?
Dad? Okay, they're asking me to leave my phone in the car. Is that okay? He is.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna conduct some more tests on her, so she can put the phone in her pocket, but I need her to pay attention while I do testing with her, okay, sir? Okay. All right. Come to the back. Okay. Okay. No, I don't need you to come over here. I'm going to conduct a test on your daughter. Can you put your phone in your purse?
Yes. All right, Dad, can you stay on the phone with me?
Okay. Can you put your hands down on your side?
Okay.
Do you have any medical issues or anything like
No.
that? Anything I should know about? Do you wear contacts?
Anxiety.
Just
No.
anxiety? You're not on any medications, anything like that? Okay.
Yeah.
Anything wrong with your lower extremities that
No.
you're going to be able to stand here
No.
while I do? Okay. Can you take the flashings off and only have the overheads on? What I'm going to do, I'm just going to have you look at the top of this, and you're just going to, you put your hands on your side.
Okay.
You're just going to follow something back and forth, and I'm going to have you follow, I'm going to have a flashlight over here. You're going to look at the pen only, okay? Oh, so over here. Do you see the tip of
Yes.
my pen? What color is the tip of my pen?
Black?
Yeah, black, silver,
Sure,
depends on
silver,
lighting.
yeah.
Okay, you see it? I just want you to focus right on that. Keep your head straight, looking at me all times. Just move your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
No problem.
Okay. Just more. Just gonna keep looking at the pen only. The top of the pen and the pen only, okay? Ready? Your eyes only, okay?
Sorry.
That's okay. We'll start from the beginning. Ready?
Yep.
Eyes and eyes. Eyes only. Eyes only, okay?
Yep.
Alright. So, sir, we're gonna hang up the phone, okay? You just hang up the phone. Can you hang up the phone?
I can?
Just hang up the phone.
That's my dad, though.
Okay.
Can you talk to him?
I'm not gonna talk to him. Can you hang up the phone?
Yes, Dad.
All right,
They
thank
want
you.
me to hang up the phone.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank
goodbye.
you. Alright. Can you just turn around for me?
Sure.
Alright. Just put your hands behind your back, ma'am.
So listen, at this point, okay, order field sobriety test over any better.
Okay. Yes.
Have anything in the car you need to get out of there?
No, just my anxiety pills. Like, if you want to get them, I'm probably gonna be anxious. I understand that you have to arrest me, but like, does this have to be like this?
Oh yeah, you do have to be cuffed behind your back. I'm just gonna take this off of you, okay? Your
My
pocketbook.
purse,
Yeah,
or-
you're gonna get it back. Don't
All
worry.
right. I don't care about. But this is on my. It's not gonna come off.
Okay,
if you
hang on.
arrest
Let me fix that for you.
Oh my gosh, I'm panicking.
Listen, it's in New Jersey. You're not going to jail. Okay, it's just a traffic ticket.
All right.
Can you just leave?
That's fine, but like to be honest, I really feel like super anxious right now.
Do you have your phone with you and everything?
Somebody
I
asked
got
me
it.
to hang the phone up with my dad. He's
Okay.
an NYPD officer, and I don't know if that matters, but he's actually like he's very concerned. So can it?
Right, the phone's in there?
Yep.
Not to be rude, but like,
Okay.
do I have to be handcuffed?
You do.
McConville expressed concern about the presence of additional officers, feeling uneasy being alone with just one. However, she quickly learned that the other officers were right behind her, each in their own car, decreasing her anxiety about the situation. McConville was later charged with driving while intoxicated. Moving on to our next story, we encounter another example that emphasizes how having a cop's family doesn't mean safety from consequences. In Lake County, Florida, on October 31st, 2021, 20-year-old Sadie Haskins acknowledged that she shouldn't have been driving under the influence. The police officer informs her that she will be allowed to leave if she passes the field sobriety test.
So I've already seen signs that you might be under the influence. I could smell it on you, the way that you were driving, and then we're acting really nervous. Okay. So have you been drinking tonight? Then
I was earlier.
it was like, when's the last time that you drank? Because your eyes are like glossy. Every time you speak, it's like you could smell it real bad on you.
A couple hours ago. I mean, if you want to drive me back to my house, you can call me. I will go home. That's it.
Where do you live at?
Right here in Eustis, where that 7-Eleven is.
Okay, then why are you going this way?
Because I was going to go back to my ex's house, but I shouldn't have done that. That was wrong. I admit it. It was very wrong. But I live with my friend Savannah, and I will go back there. You can follow me. I will go back home.
Okay. So what I want you to do, and it's all up to you, so it would make me feel a lot better for you driving, is if you would consent to field sobriety exercises. If you could pass those, I'll let you go to your ex's house, let you go to your friend's house, okay?
I want to go back home.
Or go back home. Yeah.
I don't know if I can pass that.
Huh?
I don't know this. Like, it's been a couple hours, but I don't know if I can pass that. To be honest. It's wrong. I should have done it. I swear I should not have done it. I don't do this. My mom's a cop, so I know it's stupid.
What was your mom to cop at?
She was a cop in Flume Park.
In Flume Park? Okay.
So I know it's stupid. It's very stupid of me to do this. I know it is.
Haskins assumed the officer would overlook her situation when she mentioned that her mother is a cop. However, the suggestion of being escorted home was rejected, leaving Haskins to face the consequences alone.
You wanted to consent to the exercises, so then I could, if you're good, I could just go on my merry way, and it's...
But I feel extra if I go to jail. So.
Well, because you said earlier, because you don't feel like you can pass it. I just wanted to be sure that you could drive, and then we could go.
I want you guys to follow behind me.
Yeah.
As long as I go, it's literally right there, like at the 7-Eleven, across the street on John Vista.
We can't let you drive even with us following you unless we know that you're good to go.
Yeah. Because I could be held responsible, like say you got into a crash, or it could even be your fault. There's someone hit you, but
So
me
what
knowing that
happens
you...
if I fail this sobriety? I go to jail, right? Or can I have someone come get me?
That is what I just wanted to make sure that you're good to drive. So then, if you wanted to go to your ex's house, say you did pass, I would let you go. I would go my other way. I don't even know. I just want to be sure that you're good just to drive.
Yeah.
So that's just my main concern.
Haskins agrees to take the field sobriety test, saying she's unsure because it's hard. Surprisingly, she shares that her mother used to be a cop while her father is a felon, which adds an unexpected twist to the situation.
Well, nobody wants to go to jail, but, you know, that's why we have to see if you're impaired or not.
You know how hard the sobriety test is?
What's that?
You know how hard the sobriety test is?
In the academy, I had to do it all the time, and I don't think it's hard at all. It's literally, you'll be looking at a pen, and I'll be going back and forth, and then you're just going to be walking in a straight line, and you're holding your foot up approximately 6 inches from the ground, and then you're counting 1001, 1002. It's not that difficult.
You want to give it a shot? You want to turn your car off on me?
Or you can just take me to jail. Like, you might as well just... I know, like, it's hard. My mom... It's hard.
It's only hard if you're... Okay, so it's only hard if you are under the influence, but if you're good, you would be fine. Like, this is all up to you.
I don't know if I can pass it. Like, yes, I had a couple drinks, but, like, I don't know if I can pass it. So at this point, you might as well just take me to jail. You know, have some pick me up tomorrow from the jail, and it's fine. Like, I don't know. I know how this is. My mother is a cop. I know how it is. I know how the sobriety test goes. My father is also a felon.
Dude, do you want to get out of... I don't want you getting hit. That would make me feel so bad if you got hit.
I'm sorry. But I know how it all is.
Yeah.
My father's a felon. Like, I know how it is to do sobriety tests.
Mm-hmm.
And at this point, I don't want to go to jail in this outfit. Like, I'd rather, like, have, like, a sweater.
How old are you?
20. I know how this is. My mom is a former cop. I know I had drinks and it's wrong. So if you want to take me to jail, that's fine. I'm completely fine with that. I made my own mistakes.
So you don't want to do field sobrieties?
I just don't think I can pass it. I know how hard it is.
What? It's your decision. I'm leaving it up to you.
I don't know. I mean, either way, if I fail it, I go to jail. If I don't take it, I go to jail.
Well, we have to base everything off of what we've seen so far.
It's wrong. I shouldn't have drove. Like, it's so wrong. It's so fucking wrong. I'm sorry.
So you want to give it a shot, or?
I don't know. You're gonna take me to jail anyways, right?
Not necessarily. Like I said, if you do very well on the field sobriety exercises, that's good on your behalf. You know.
But I'm nervous now. Like, I don't know.
Proceeding with the test, Haskins visibly struggles and can't do it successfully, even though she comes from a cop's family. In the end, she learns a harsh lesson about accountability as she is placed in handcuffs and taken to jail.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900, 20,000, 20,001, 20,002, 20,003, 2004, 2005.
Okay, good stuff. Okay.
Was that right? Close.
Okay, Sadie. You can just put your hands behind your back, okay? Of course. Okay, I just... Yeah, I got you some clothes.
There's clothes in there?
Yeah. You're wearing it wrong?
Yes.
Okay. Just so you know, if I don't find it and it does go to the jail, it's a 3rd-degree charge, okay?
Yes, I know. I know about all the charges. Fortunately. That's why I'm in this fucking situation. I just don't want to go to jail in fishnets. You know how those girls are in there. They're gonna try to get me. I'm pretty. I'm too pretty for jail.
And there's nothing in your underwear?
No.
Okay.
Haskins was charged with reckless driving involving alcohol. She entered a no-contest plea in 2022 and was sentenced to 6 months probation. As we conclude our exploration into cases where individuals believe their ties to law enforcement could shield them from accountability, one resounding truth emerges. Having a cop's family does not place one above the law. Each narrative serves as a reminder that regardless of familial connections, the consequences of one's actions cannot go unjustified. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.